Want to lose weight fast? Detox drinks can help. These drinks are like magic potions for your body. They flush out toxins, boost your metabolism, and help you shed those extra pounds. In this essay, we'll explore the best detox drink for rapid weight loss. Ready to transform your body? Let's dive in. Detox drinks offer numerous benefits. They help your body get rid of harmful substances. This process can increase your energy levels and improve your overall health. Many people report feeling lighter and more refreshed after incorporating detox drinks into their routines. These drinks can also aid in digestion. By flushing out your system, they allow your digestive system to work more efficiently. This can lead to reduced bloating and a flatter stomach. Our magic detox drink is made with natural ingredients, carefully selected to provide maximum health benefits. Each ingredient is packed with essential nutrients and powerful antioxidants that work together to cleanse your body. First, we have lemon, a natural detoxifier that helps to kickstart your metabolism and cleanse your liver. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system, fights off infections, and promotes healthy skin. Next, we add ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to improve circulation. Ginger can soothe your digestive system, reduce bloating, and even alleviate nausea, making it a powerful addition. Cucumber is another key ingredient, known for its hydrating properties and high water content. Cucumbers are natural diuretics, helping your body flush out excess water weight, and they also provide a refreshing taste. Finally, we add mint leaves for their refreshing taste and digestive benefits, making the drink not only healthy, but also delicious. Mint can soothe an upset stomach, promote healthy digestion, and add a burst of freshness to the drink, making it perfect for any time of the day. Crafting your detox drink. Today, we're going to show you how to make a refreshing and healthy detox drink that you can easily prepare at home. Making this detox drink is easy. It's a great way to stay hydrated and flush out toxins from your body. Simply gather your ingredients. 1 lemon, which is packed with vitamin C and helps boost your immune system, a 1-inch piece of ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and 1 cucumber, which is hydrating and rich in antioxidants, and a handful of fresh mint leaves, which add a refreshing flavor and aid in digestion. Wash the lemon, cucumber, and mint leaves thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. Slice the lemon and cucumber into thin rounds. This will help release their flavors into the water. Peel and grate the ginger. Grating it will ensure that its spicy, aromatic essence is fully infused into the drink. In a large pitcher, combine the lemon slices, grated ginger, cucumber rounds, and mint leaves. Make sure everything is well mixed. Fill the pitcher with water and stir well. You can use filtered or spring water for the best taste. Let the mixture sit in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to allow the flavors to infuse. The longer it sits, the more flavorful it will become. Enjoy your refreshing detox drink. The path to success, frequency, and timing. Understanding the importance of when and how often you consume your detox drink can make a significant difference in your overall results. For best results, drink this detox water consistently throughout the day. This ensures that your body remains hydrated and continuously benefits from the nutrients and cleansing properties of the drink. Start your morning with a glass upon waking up. This jumpstarts your metabolism and helps flush out toxins that have accumulated overnight, setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. Continue sipping on it between meals and before bed. Drinking it between meals helps curb unnecessary snacking and keeps you feeling full, while a glass before bed aids in overnight detoxification. The consistent intake will keep your body hydrated, energized, and ready to shed those extra pounds. You'll notice an increase in your energy levels and an overall sense of well-being. Remember, this detox drink is not a magic bullet. It won't work miracles on its own, but it can be a powerful tool when used correctly. It's essential to combine it with a healthy diet and regular exercise for optimal weight loss. Eating nutritious meals and staying active will amplify the benefits of the detox drink. However, incorporating this drink into your daily routine can significantly enhance your weight loss journey. Make it a habit, and you'll find it easier to stay on track and achieve your health goals. Your journey to wellness starts now. Ready to jumpstart your weight loss? Download our free report, The Ultimate Guide to Detox and Weight Loss, for more delicious detox drink recipes, expert tips, and a personalized weight loss plan. Click the link below to claim your free copy today. Don't wait any longer to start your transformation. Embrace the power of detox and unlock your healthiest self.